So hi all dear aspirants, welcome to my video. So today's session is all about mathematical reasoning. And I'm sorry I have technical difficulties right now, but I really hope that I will be able to convey myself to you all. And in spite of that, if you have any issues or problems, please let me know about it. So I've collected few questions and sample questions, which is very much similar to our UGC NET examination pattern. And these are the common exam question patterns and types that are going to be there for the exam. So if there are any other question types that you want me to answer for you or help you to understand, please do let me know in the comments. And I really hope that I'm audible to everyone. And if you are having any problems regarding the same, please let me know that in the comment section. And yes, this is the first type of questions, and I'll help you solve the questions. And I think we should start with it already. First question types that are going to be there for the exam is the number patterns or the number sequence series. So I really hope that you are able to see this. That is 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37, and the next number series. And you have to find the next number series which is missing from the sequence. So you have to understand there has to be a certain sort of connection between each numbers. So this connection has to be found out. Only then we could come to the conclusion of the next number. Sure enough, we have like 4 answers here on the series. And please pardon me for the technical difficulties. Okay, this is all new to me, and I'm only learning to use all these things right now. All right, so okay, so the first type of question is to find the missing numbers. So the options are 50, 57, 62, and 72. So find the next missing number, and from the options you have to find the next suitable number. And for that, I'm going to use different colored pens so that it's so much visible. And since my handwriting is not that very good, and I want it to be more legible as possible, for that reason I'm using a blue color pen. Okay, so I really hope that you are able to understand the numbers. You could read the numbers, that is 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, and 37, and the next missing number. So, okay. So we have to find the relation between 2 and 5. That is 2 minus 5 will be 3. And 5 minus 10 will be 5. And 10 minus 7 will be 7. And 17 minus 26, that is 26 minus 17, you will get 9. And 26 minus 37, and that will be, I'm so sorry, and that will be 11. So you could see that there is a sequence of these missing numbers with plus 2. That is 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. So the next difference of the numbers will be 13. So 13 will be the difference of the number. So 13 plus 37 will be 50. So we have the option that is 50. So this is the first type of questions that will be asked for your examinations. And the next type of question will be uh, direction type based questions. That is, Anil was traveling 6 kilometers towards east. I'm sorry, I'm trying to find a way in which you could see the screen also along with it. Okay, fine. So this is the question. That is, Anil was traveling 6 kilometers towards east from his house. Realizing that he was traveling in a wrong direction, he turned and traveled 12 kilometers towards west and turned right and traveled 8 kilometers to reach his office. The straight distance of the office from his house is 20 kilometers, 14 kilometers, 12 kilometers, and 10 kilometers. So we have to find how we get the answer. So, so I really hope that this is more or less. So yes. So as the question was that Anil was traveling, and for all the direction based questions we have to write north, south, and east and west on the working space, and this will guide us through such type of questions. So Anil, so start from a point. Okay, Anil was traveling 6 kilometers towards east. So this is 6 kilometers he was traveling towards east from his house. Every, that is, when he is walking, this will be his right side and this will be his left side. So he's facing towards east side, and he realized that he was traveling in a wrong direction. He turned and traveled 12 kilometers towards east. That is, he traveled 12 kilometers towards east. Towards west, I'm sorry, towards west. So that was 12 kilometers in total, 6 year and 6 year. So he traveled 12 kilometers to the west, and from there he turned right and traveled 8 kilometers to reach his office. So the question is the straight distance of the office from his house. That is, this is a question. So they want to find out the straight distance of his office from his house. And for that, we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. So we have, here we know the answer is 6 and here it is 8. So Pythagoras theorem is, suppose this is x. X square equal to 6 square plus 8 square. So 6 plus 8 will be 14 square. And the answer will be, what is the answer? That is 6 plus 8 is 12. Sorry, 6 plus 8 will be 14. So 14 square. So square root of 14 will be the answer. So I really hope this is very much legible to you all. So 6 into 6 are 36 and 8 into 8 are 64. So 100 is the answer and 100 will be the answer and square root of 100 is 10. So 10 is the answer that we get. And do we have such an option? Yes, we have 10 kilometers over here. I'm sorry. So we have 10 kilometers over here and 10 kilometers is the answer being said by them. So am I clear with that? And one thing that we have to understand is that solve the square root first and then add. Do not add 6 plus 8 first. Do the sum, that is 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. Find the answer of that and then add it and then find the square root. It will be so much easier for you. The calculations will be easier. And the next type of questions is the alphabet series, and we have to find the next missing numbers of all the alphabets. And I recommend you all to carry a pen and notebook right now and use it and then solve it along with me. Here the answer is not visible, so try to solve this question while I'm answering this question. So the next term in the series is and for all the types of these alphabet series questions, always write the alphabet, that is A, B, C. Okay, now it's visible, I hope. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we have the 26 alphabets over here, and the question that we have is B to E, and the next question is T, 5H, F, 12K, H, 27, N. And I really hope that I'm legible to everyone. Okay, first and foremost, write the number series, write the alphabet series A, B, C, D, M, and then write N below A, and then write till Z. Okay, and this will be so much easier for you to relate, to have, sort of like a reference point from this. So we have B. So B comes the second alphabet, and E is the fifth one. A, B, C, D, E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth one. And D is the fourth alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. Just write it, okay? Just, I'll use a different pen for easy understanding. And 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And F will be the sixth alphabet, and K will be 11th one, and H will be 8th one, and N will be 14th one. So we have a certain series or certain sequences there. We have clarity for this. And from this we can find out that this is after 2 comes 4, after 4 comes 6. That is, they have the odd number system. So the next one will be the 10th one. And over here, if you just look into it, after 5 and 8 is 5, 6, 7, 8. So they've added 3 number over here to get 8. And after 8 comes 11, that is 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 numbers again, and over here also we can find 3 numbers. So they have added 3 over here and added 2 over here. So the next number will be 14, 15, 16, 17. 17th alphabet, and the 10th alphabet is, what is the 10th alphabet? That will be J, and the 17th one will be, one second, okay, 17th is Q. So we have these two numbers, that is, we have these two alphabets. We need to find the middle one, that is the numerical numbers. So this is 2, 5, 12, 27. So how did they get into such a system? How did they get into this number? So 2 minus 5 is 3, and 5 minus 12 is 7, minus 27 is 15. All right, and the next number, so we have to find the difference from here also. So 4, and 7 minus 15 is 8. So it's like double the number. The next number, so in those cases, will be 58. So let's see whether yes, we have such a number. So that is the fourth one. J58Q will be our answer. And yes, that is our answer. And the next type of question will be, I'll conceal the answer for right now. A party was held in which grandmother, father, mother, son, their wives and son, and all these people were there, and they want to find out the number of females present in the party. That is, certain number of people were there, certain people attended the program, so they want us to count or find out how many women were there present in the program. So we can find out all the direct answers. We can write down all the direct ones first. That is, the grandmother is 1 and the mother is 2 and 4 sons and their wives. So 4 wives. So that is 6 and 1 son and 2 daughters each. So 2, I'll write it down for easy understanding. That is, the grandmother 1 and the mother is 1 and the wives, that is the 4 sons are there. These 4 sons will be four wives and 2 daughters each. That is, for sons there will be 2 daughters. That 4 into 2s are 8. When we add all these numbers, so what do we get? 8, 9, 10, 14. So 14 is the answer. Do we have such an answer? Yes, we have the answer 14. So 14 is the answer. And the next type of question will be, okay, so we have the answer, that is 14. The next type of question will be, P and Q are brothers, R and S are sisters. The son of P is brother of S and Q is related to R as. So just stop me when my handwriting is not legible to you and in a way that you're not able to read it. Just stop me then and there, okay? So, okay, fine. So, one relationship based questions, use circle for females and square for males. That is, for example, the question is Ragesh is a man, and for those questions write R and put a square around him. So R is for square is for males and round is or the round ones are for the females, and this one means brother or sister, siblings relationship. And this one vertically downwards means father son or mother daughter relationship. Suppose Govind is the father and Teresa is the daughter, so they have a father daughter relationship, and he is a man, so he is in square, and Teresa is a woman, so she is in circles. And wife and husband, that is spouse relationship, Govind and uh, Mary. So this will be, denoted like this. So, have this reference point whenever possible for you, and it will be so much easier. So the question is, P and Q are brothers. So from the question, it is very much evident that P and Q both are boys. So P and Q are brothers. So one line means spouse, 2 lines means